Hello guys, welcome to SheetMetric. Today we will learn how to book flights most conveniently and at most effective prices available across all the travel booking platforms or aggregators. At the end of this video, you will have better clarity on following: how to plan your flights, what is the best way to plan your flights, how to get price alerts, how to share your proposed travel plan with your friends and family to plan the travel together. At the end of this video, I will be also sharing a bonus tips for the travel from metro to non-metro areas. We will be taking help of Google tool here, so which is Google Travel for all of your travel needs. And for this video, we will be taking help of Google Flights, which is a subset of Google Travel. So let's understand how to access Google Flights. You can go either to 9 dots available at your Google accounts and then scroll down and then click on travel. This will open Google Travel for you, and here you can click on flights. It has opened your flight booking screen. We will see how to make an effective use of this flight booking screen. Alternatively, you can also type google.com/travel/flights. I would be giving the link of these URLs in the description box as well. This has taken location as Patna because this is detecting my location. Let's say I want to book flight from Mumbai to Delhi. I am doing it one way for, let's say, 19th October. I can do a search button over here. Also, we have a map based view. We will see a little later how to use this map based view. This is also very effective in many of our cases. I am clicking search. This has given us this many list of the flights. You can see 248 more flights. I guess this is more than enough to choose flights from on this sector. And based upon Google intelligence, it has selected 3 best flights for us. This is Vistara, this is Air India, this is Akasa Air. We have a lot of filter options over here. Like you can select non-stop, one-stop. If you have any airlines preference, then you can select that. Then you have you can select 1 or 2. Then pricing filters, you can drag it over here. Then you have time, early departure, late departure. You can select any definite time you have, so this will change the list of flights accordingly for you if you want to go through connecting airports and all. This is 5323. This appears to be the cheapest flight available, which is a direct flight from Bombay to Delhi, 2 or 10 minutes. Here we have date grid. So on date grid, you can see the prices in this particular time frame, and then you can click it like that to see how the prices of this flight varying. And wherever this diamond symbol is there, it means this is the cheapest. There is also a price graph option, which represents the information visually to make you quicker decisions. So we are here, and we can see usually a flight prices is around this only, so we can be sure that we are not paying something higher. However, we can see at this particular day, November 11, there is a very high fare running. If we are flexible about our dates, then this price graph is very useful. I am removing all these filters. You can put a price alert over here. When you will do this, you will start getting an emails whenever there is a price change for October 19. I will also show you how these emails usually looks like in a while. If you are flexible about your day travel, then you can select any dates. Let's say if you have a 7-day window, then you will get an emails when prices are low for Mumbai to New Delhi. Let me show you how these price alerts emails looks like. These are some of the emails for price alerts which I am getting. This is Patna to Bangalore, New Delhi to Bangalore. These alerts I had set up earlier. I am showing it to you for demonstration purposes. Your tracked route New Delhi to Bangalore. So this is saying, and this also says price are currently typical. It means this is kind of a normal price. And whenever there is a price drop is, it will show you an email as well. This is on the price alert thing. Let's go to booking this now. I want to book this flight. So select flight, and here we have all the options available with most of the travel aggregator like Budget Air, SheetMetric, and how prices are available there. This is directly with the airline, book with Bistara. So you can do booking from here, and you can share this flight with your friends and family so they can plan and travel together. You can copy this link and share it over Facebook, Twitter directly, or copy this link and share through WhatsApp or email or SMS, whatever is most convenient to you. Let's try to book this with Goibibo. So this would be the screen, and then you have to do a booking from here. I'm not booking it because I don't need this ticket right now. Let's understand now when one of your travel leg is non-metro. So go to this map, and I want to go from New Delhi to Patna. Patna is a non-metro, right? Here you can see we have some nearby airports like Gorakhpur, Varanasi, or let's say Darbhanga. So we can Gaya. So in this case, mostly prices are similar or higher. But if you want to, let's say, travel to Darbhanga, which is 4 or 5 hour distance from Patna, so sometimes it might be useful that you book any other nearby airports and then do your travel arrangement. So this way you can save some amount on your fare. So this is a purely a personal choice depending upon what your travel needs are and whether this route is convenient to you or not. But sometimes it is useful. So this I wanted to demonstrate to you. By now you are equipped with the knowledge and tools to book your flights like a pro. If you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe SheetMetric for similar insights. Thank you.